Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can earn blue hearts for the baddie pass. So you'll need blue hearts, as you can see. To earn a lot of them, you are going to play the game basically to earn XP. The blue hearts are basically XP. You'll get it once you have finished the round. You'll be able to see, like, according to I think how many stars you get. You'll see like how many XPs and blue hearts you get, and that's to unlock some items from the buddy pass. So make sure you play this game a lot. I do think farming servers will be a little bit easier to earn the XPs. I know a lot of people are against that, but not a lot of people have time to grind this game, and play it for many hours. Like, I have work and stuff like that, but that is it for this video. That is how you can earn XPs. You can also earn XPs by completing daily quests here. As you can see, you'll earn it by winning and placing podium and stuff like that here. The duo ones are a little bit difficult in my opinion to earn, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.